Yes, sir, I am
Yeah,
ready.
yeah. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Telangana.
Acha. Telangana. You are living in which city?
Warangal, sir.
Warangal. Your interview is going to be on which date?
Sir, 18th March, Hyderabad.
Very good. What is the degree you have studied?
Sir, commerce, sir.
BCom or MCom?
Sir, I recently completed Master of Commerce, sir, in 2022.
Very good. What are the subjects you studied in Master of Commerce?
Sir, the major subjects included in financial accounting, cost accounting, banking theory and practice, e-commerce.
Mhm.
These are the major subjects in commerce, sir.
Mhm. Cost accounting, then
Financial
banking,
accounting, banking theory
financial.
and practice,
Uh,
e-commerce,
mm,
income tax.
mm. Okay.
Uh,
Now, good. Which subject you liked very much of these subjects?
Sir, accounting is one of my favorite subjects, sir.
Can you tell me what are the three golden rules of bookkeeping?
Okay, sir. Sir, there are three accounts: personal accounts, real account, nominal account. Personal account deals with the debtors and creditors, sir. Real account deals with all assets. Nominal account deals with incomes and expenses. In personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. In real account, what comes in debit, what goes out credit. In nominal account, losses and expenses are debit, profit and gains are credits.
Good. Very good. You told nicely. Please tell me what do you understand by trial balance?
So trial balance is a statement, sir. It is prepared with the debit and credit balances of the ledger to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books.
Super. Good answer. Please tell me what is balance sheet?
Sir, balance sheet is a financial statement, sir, that contains the details of all assets and liabilities, and balance sheet shows the company's financial performance and financial position for particular date. Balance sheet
Good.
contains the assets and liabilities. Liabilities means fixed liabilities and current liabilities. Fixed liability means reserves, capital, and long-term loans. Current liabilities means creditors, bills payable, OD, bank OD, and outstanding expenses. And assets means fixed assets. Fixed asset means land, building, plant, machinery, like this. And current asset means sundry debtors, bills receivable, stock, investment. And
Everything is correct except that you long-term liabilities and short-term liabilities. You told as current liabilities and fixed liability. There is no fixed liability.
sorry,
So
sorry.
that was the mistake. Doesn't matter. Otherwise everything was correct. Do you know what do you understand by ratio analysis? What is the usefulness of ratio analysis? Please tell me about three ratios about which you are familiar.
Sir, ratio analysis deals with sir, I could not recall it, sir.
Why? What happened? You could not remember.
Yes, yes. Sir. Presently, I get confused.
What is current
I'll read,
ratio?
I'll read about it, sir. Current ratio means assets and liabilities by something else, I think.
So you are not prepared. Current
Yes.
assets by current liabilities. Doesn't matter. You are not prepared.
Yeah,
Now,
yes, sir.
um,
Read about it, sir.
yeah. So recently there were some changes made in the income tax rules. With the
Ah,
budget,
yes.
some changes were announced. What are those changes?
Sir, ఇప్పుడు I'll explain about the 2023 budget, sir, shortly.
చెప్పండి
Sir,
చెప్పండి.
budget is a spending plan based on the income and expenditures. Budget is introduced by Government of India for every financial year. 2023 budget vision is Amrit Kal, opportunities for citizens and main focus on youth.
నో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏం మిస్టేక్ చేస్తున్నారంటే నేను ఏం అడిగినాను అబౌట్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్
Sir, income tax.
సఫిషియంట్ యూ టెల్ అబౌట్ ద చేంజెస్ బ్రాట్ ఇన్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్. అది చెప్తే అవుతుంది కానీ మీరు పొద్దునిచ్చి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే అది వద్దు.
Okay. Sir, see, there is a new
Ah.
tax regime, sir.
హ్మ్.
0 to 3 lakh, there is no income tax.
హ్మ్.
3 to 6 lakh, there is 5%. 6 to
హ్మ్.
9 lakh, 10%.
హ్మ్.
9 to 12, 15%.
హ్మ్.
15 to, 12 to 15, 20%. 15
హ్మ్.
above, 30% tax
హ్మ్.
will be paid, sir. This is the new change
హ్మ్.
in
And you
tax
should
regime.
also tell about up to 7 lakhs under new tax regime, it is exempted from tax. Under the old regime, it is exempted up to 5 lakhs only. And
Uh,
in the new regime, there are no exemptions. There are no deductions available. Okay,
okay,
very
sir.
good. Do you know what is meant by MISTI in regard to budget?
Misty, it's all about mangrove forests like that, sir.
Hmm.
సార్ అడవుల గురించి మగ్గ అడవుల గురించి దీని ఉంటుంది సార్ అది సంథింగ్ ఐ రీడ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్.
Hmm. Very good. No problem. What do you understand by banking?
సార్ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ లైసెన్స్ టు రిసీవ్ డిపాజిట్స్ అండ్ మేక్ లోన్స్. దెర్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్
Good.
ఆఫ్ బ్యాంక్స్, కమర్షియల్ బ్యాంక్స్
Hmm.
అండ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ బ్యాంక్స్.
Hmm. But ఇదన్నీ వద్దు.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
They ask banking only first definition చెప్తే అవుతుంది. So
ఓకే సార్.
what are the other services that are done by banks?
సర్వీసెస్ మీన్స్ క్రెడిట్ ఫెసిలిటీ.
No, apart from banking, there is deposits and advances. What are the other services rendered by banks?
అదర్ సర్వీసెస్ సార్ క్రెడిట్
And
ఫెసిలిటీ.
ఎన్నిసారి చెప్పి ఉంటాను మీ క్లాస్లో I would have told minimum 4 or 5 times. Other services ante para banking services like canvassing of insurance policies, mutual fund products, renting
ఓకే
out
ఓకే.
lockers. Cheppinana leda?
ఎస్ ఎస్ సార్ ఐ కుడెంట్ రికాల్ ఇట్ నౌ, సారీ సార్.
Board sari nenu cheppuntamu. Okay, that is right. That's okay. No problem. Please tell me, what do you understand by KYC?
కేవైసీ మీన్స్ నో యువర్ కస్టమర్ సార్.
No.
It means we can identify this person customer is our bank holder or not by using KYC.
Mhm. Good. So what are the documents taken for KYC?
So mainly Aadhaar card, sir.
Mm.
Mainly Aadhaar card, bank account,
Mm.
PAN card.
What are the other documents that can be taken for KYC?
So bank account, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and that's it. I think
Passport, driving
passport.
license, then voter ID, నేషనల్ రూరల్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్. మీరు ఇదన్నీ చదవలేదా? బాగా చదివినారా లేదా?
Yes, and I mean I know aware of it, but not deeply read about it, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ మెన్ బై సేవింగ్స్ అకౌంట్?
Sir, savings account, these are all deposits accounts, sir. Savings account, any individual can open in account who holds an PAN card and Aadhaar card, which are two mandatory in open a saving account, sir. In saving account, interest earned on our deposits. Sir, there is a transaction limit on saving account depending on bank, sir. That's it, sir.
Yeah. No, ఇంకా బాగా చెప్పొచ్చు కదా. Savings account is opened by individuals for saving purposes. The banks,
Okay.
there are minimum balance prescribed depending on the
Yeah,
PIN
need to
and the
maintain
branch
minimum
as such.
balance. Yes, sir.
And then the checkbook will be issued, and also passbook will be issued along with the debit card. And we can debit as much money we want, and we can withdraw. There are restrictions regarding number of withdrawals, 50 withdrawals per half year, and when it exceeds that, service charges will be levied. In the case of savings account, recently under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, basic savings bank deposit account was introduced, whereas the minimum balance is not prescribed, no frill balance account. ఇదన్నీ ఇంత మాట చెప్పాలి, ఎందుకు చెప్పలేదు మీరు?
Okay, sir, I will prepare it for
You have to tell so many points, na?
Okay,
So
sir.
many,
Okay, sir.
so many points, like say, whatever I told you now. Now, do you know what is meant by current account?
Yes, sir. Yes, I know about. Sir,
Tell me.
current account is mostly business account, sir, where money can be frequently transferred between financial accountant. It is suitable for the corporations and business owners for their daily business transactions. In current account, consumer do not earn any interest.
Mm,
There is no limit for deposit money in the current account,
mm,
and also current account have overdraft facility to the account holders.
mm.
There is no need to maintain minimum balance in current accounts.
No, no, no. There also minimum balance is prescribed, and minimum balance is higher amount.
Higher than saving accounts, sir.
Yeah, and then higher than savings account.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay,
These are
and
mostly suitable
current
for
cu-
commercial
is
accounts.
mostly suitable for business people. Normally, say
For-
proprietor or partnership or limited company, they open the accounts. Very good. You are a commerce student, MCom student. మీరు బాగా
Yes, sir.
చెప్పాలి.
Okay, okay, sir.
లిమిట్
And this is my
లిమిటెడ్
first interview, sir. I'm
లిమిటెడ్ కంపెనీస్ యాక్ట్ ఏమండి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇయర్ ఇన్ విచ్ లిమిటెడ్ కంపెనీస్ యాక్ట్ వాస్ పాస్డ్?
2013, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. ముందు బిఫోర్
Mundu
దిస్
before
1956.
1956, sir.
1956.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
very good.
1956.
Yeah. Do you know what is meant by private limited company? How many minimum shareholders, maximum shareholders?
Sir, i- if it is a private company bank, sector company, the minimum shareholders minimum
No, no, no.
51%.
I am not asking about bank. I am asking about private limited companies.
Company, sir, minimum 51 percentage.
No, no, no. I am not asking public sector bank, private sector bank. I am asking what is a public limited company? What is a private limited company? You are a commerce student. Don't you know that in the case of private limited company, minimum number of shareholders is 2,
Sir,
maximum
maximum is
200.
maximum in 200, sir. In government, there is no maximum limit, sir.
In public limited company, the minimum is 7, there is no maximum limit. Why are you confusing between government and public? Hello, I am
Sir.
not asking public sector bank, private sector bank. I am asking what is a private limited company, what is a public limited company, minimum number of shareholders. Okay, no problem. Partnership ante ఏమి? What do you know about partnership?
Sir, partnership is an agreement, sir.
Hmm,
They agreed for the equal shares of profit and loss for a సార్
hmm.
తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి అంటే ఇప్పుడు
చెప్పండి,
ఇద్దరు
చెప్పండి.
లేదా అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ మంది ఒక బిజినెస్ చేయడానికి అగ్రిమెంట్ చేసుకొని అందులో వచ్చిన లాభాలను సమానంగా పంచుకోవడానికి అగ్రిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటారు సార్. అందులో లాభాలైనా నష్టాలైనా వాళ్ళకి
Hmm,
ఇచ్చిన రేషియో పరంగా వాళ్ళు
hmm,
నడిపిస్తూ ఉంటారు సార్ బిజినెస్ ని.
hmm, hmm. You are a
పార్ట్నర్షిప్.
commerce student. You are a commerce student. ఇంత చెప్తే అవలేదు. You have to tell me more. Partnership is a minimum 2 or more people. In the case of banking business, 10 people. In the case of non-banking business, 20 people can be partners. Minor can be admitted to the benefits of partnership. Then, in the case of partnership in India, it can be oral or written. But in banks, when we are giving advances, we insist the partnership should have a written partnership deed and it should be a registered firm. In India, it can be oral or a written partnership deed without registration also. The problem with unregistered firm is it cannot file a suit in its own name. This many points you have to tell about partnership firm. ఎందుకు ఇంత ఎంకామ్ చదివి ఇదన్నీ ఎందుకు జ్ఞాపకం లేదు? చెప్పు. హలో,
సారీ సార్.
నో
సార్ దిస్
ప్రాబ్లం,
ఇస్
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఇంటర్వ్యూ.
First
నాట్
interview, I know. This is the
yes,
first interview, that is why you are struggling, I know. But you answered accounting questions very good, very nicely. I'm happy about that. Now, coming to other questions. Now, what are the duties and responsibilities of a bank clerk?
Sir, as a bank clerk, to see the business development and cash deposits and withdrawals, check verification, and receive a customer with a smile,
Mm,
and maintain a daily transaction in the system,
mm,
interaction with the customer, handling the customer complaints and resolve them. These
mm,
are the main roles of the clerk, sir.
mm. Good. You can also add bank clerks have to canvass for new deposit accounts. They have to canvass for new insurance policies, mutual fund products, and all. ఇది
Okay,
చెప్పొచ్చు. Okay,
okay,
very
sir. I will.
good. Very good. What are the sources of income for the bank?
Sir, income, sir, deposits, sir,
Mm,
deposits, and ఇప్పుడు credit creation, credit
mm,
facility to customers.
mm,
They can earn interest from them,
mm,
and also bank invest in securities
mm, mm.
and service charges.
గుడ్. ఇది అన్నీ కరెక్టు. కానీ మీరు ఎందుకు డిపాజిట్ చెప్పినారు? అది అది మిస్టేకు. డిపాజిట్
Oh,
అంటే ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్‌పెండిచర్.
okay, okay, sir.
నేను ఏం అడిగినాను? వాట్ ఆర్ ద సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్‌కమ్? సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్‌కమ్ ఏమంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ లోన్స్, దెన్
Yes.
సర్వీస్ చార్జెస్ ఆన్ వేరియస్ సర్వీసెస్ రెండర్డ్, దెన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ ఇన్వెస్ట్‌మెంట్ ఇన్ గవర్నమెంట్ సెక్యూరిటీస్. యూ హావ్ టు టెల్ లైక్ దట్. ఓకే.
Okay, sir. Okay,
వెరీ
sir.
గుడ్.
I will.
వాట్ ఈస్ సిలికాన్ వ్యాలీ బ్యాంక్?
Sir, I am never out. I will not read about it. You posted, but I will not read about
Yeah. Silicon Valley Bank is the bank that has been liquidated in America. It is the 16th largest bank in America. It has gone on liquidation. I have posted
it.
a video on that. Please watch that one. Okay.
Sir, I will and make
That
notes.
is, yeah, that is right. Now, who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Shaktikant Das.
Very good. How many deputy governors are there in Reserve Bank of India?
There are 4 members, I think. MD Patra,
Hmm.
Bivar Kanungo, and Jain, sir, I think. Jain.
Kanungo is not there.
Ah,
Kanungo went long back.
oh, sir.
Now, M.K. Jain, M.D.
MD Jain,
Patro,
Patra.
Rajeshwar Rao, Ravi Shankar.
Oh,
Rajeshwar Rao, Ravi Shankar. Very good. That is right.
Rabi,
Good.
sir, Rabi
T. Ravi Shankar.
Shankar. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good. Then, so what is your father?
Sir, my father was a carpenter, sir. Nowadays, he is not working because he is aged, sir.
Oh, how many siblings you have?
I have an elder sister, sir.
That's only one sister.
Ah,
Is
she
she,
got
is
married,
she,
sir.
she got married. Acha, what is your brother-in-law doing?
So he's also carpenter, sir.
Acha, good. No problem. Good. So, do you know carpentry?
A little bit, sir.
Not much. You have not
Not,
learned much. Not
yes,
learned
sir.
much. Doesn't matter. No problem. Good. So, why should I select you as a? You are a very good boy. I like you. But please tell me, why should I give preference for you?
Sir, if you hire me for this post, I believe that I can use my skills, and I mean accounting skills and banking knowledge, to improve your company growth, sir. I'm very
Mm,
confident that I can make a valuable contribution to the company.
mm,
Sir, I'm a fast learner. I can easily understand the banking terms and accountings like this, sir. All
mm,
banking related terms are in account. My subjects are in my commerce. All basics are related to balance sheet, liabilities, assets. These are all related to banking sector, sir. So I have a
mm.
knowledge on about it. So I can easily understand the banking, sir. And also I have a good communication skill, sir. I can easily handle the customer, sir. So you should hire me, sir. On fine day, you will feel proud for appointment here, sir.
Good. Very good. Very nice. You told nicely. I'm happy. What do you know about South Indian Bank?
Sir, South Indian Bank. is a leading private sector bank in India, sir. That was
Hmm.
established in 1929, headquarters at Thrissur, Kerala.
Hmm.
It is a first private sector bank to become a scheduled bank in India and first bank to open a currency chest and NRI branch in 1992, sir. South Indian Bank has a 928 branches and one service center and 1155 ATM centers and 120 cash deposit centers, sir. The present chairman of the South Indian Bank is Salim Gangadharan, sir, and the CEO is Murali Ramakrishnan, sir. The South Indian Bank tagline is experience the next generation banking, sir. The vision of the South Indian Bank is, sir,
Very good, very good. You're telling very nicely. Good, good, nice.
the
That much
vision
is,
of the,
yeah,
okay,
very
okay.
nice. That is okay. Please tell me about the what is the total deposit of South Indian Bank as on 31st December?
The total deposits 90 lakh 67,174 lakh crores, sir. Total deposits.
Mm. Then
Sir,
advances.
sir, advances are 67 lakh 92,000 lakh crores, sir.
No, you don't have to tell exactly. You just say
Okay.
67 lakhs or
Okay.
68 lakhs. Very good.
Uh,
I'm happy. Now, please tell me
appropriate
what was the net profit? Approximate will do. Net profit of for the last quarter.
sir 102.75 crores.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very happy. What is the NPA percentage?
Sir,
GNPA, net NPA percentage.
I
It is
don't know.
given. It is given there. Na? Did you not read it properly?
Yes,
Rashmita,
sir.
you know what is the NPA percentage?
Yes,
Rashmita.
sir. Gross NPA is 5.26 and net
Hmm.
NPA is 2.75.
26
Very good.
percentage.
2.6%.
6%. Yes, sir.
6 percentage.
Very good. Very good. That is correct. Good. Uh, Malayala, Anil, you talked nicely. You answered very well, but some areas you could not answer. You know that. You must try
Okay, sir.
to know about it. Please tell me any current affair news you have studied in the last 2-3 days.
సార్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ మీన్ ఇప్పుడు సార్ ఇది కేసీఆర్ కూతురు కవిత గారు లిక్కర్ కేసులో ఢిల్లీ వచ్చారు, ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ జరుగుతుంది ఈడీ ద్వారా, అదొకటి
Very
చూసాను
good.
సార్.
Very good. Very good. Correct only. Then.
సార్ దెన్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు క్రికెట్ గురించి సార్, ఐ లవ్ అబౌట్ క్రికెట్ సార్. అయితే బార్డర్ గవాస్కర్ ట్రోఫీకి 4th టెస్ట్ జరుగుతుంది సార్ అహ్మదాబాద్, గుజరాత్ లో. దానికి ఆస్ట్రేలియన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ అండ్ సారీ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ అండ్ నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారు వచ్చి మ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది సార్. అది ఆల్ పేరు
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. That is also correct. Who is our defense minister?
రాజ్నాథ్ సింగ్ సార్.
Who is our home minister?
అమిత్ షా.
Who is the finance minister in Telangana?
హరీష్ రావు సార్.
How many ministers are there in Telangana cabinet?
సార్ దేర్ ఆర్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ
You may not know. You may not know.
sorry.
Just verify it. You
12.
may not know that. Very good. You are living in
12.
which constituency? Warangal. Who is the MP
Yes.
of your place?
ఎంపీ దయాకర్ రావు సార్, ఎర్రబెల్లి దయాకర్ రావు.
Who is the MLA?
ఎమ్మెల్యే ఆరూరి రమేష్.
Very good. So, can you name two northern states, their capital, and their chief ministers?
నార్దర్న్ స్టేట్స్.
Okay, no problem. But why? You can prepare for such small questions also.
Yes, sir, but I confused, sir. Northern, southern. Suddenly, I couldn't recall it.
North and south.
Yes, yes, yes.
No
Sir,
problem.
Delhi
No,
Kejriwal.
you are answering well, but కానీ ఇంకో ఎక్కువ చదగాలి, చదివి ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. What do you understand by CTS?
Sir?
CTS.
I'm aware of, sir. I never.
Chennai Trivandrum Sugar. What
Okay,
is
okay.
CTS? CTS అంటే ఏమి చెప్పు.
చెన్నై ట్రిమెండస్
No,
షుగర్.
no. అలాగా.
Sorry, sir.
ఏమయ్యా యు ఆర్ అటెండింగ్ క్లాసెస్ రెగ్యులర్లీ కానీ మీకు ఎందుకు జ్ఞాపకం లేదు? Rashmita, what is the answer for that? CTS?
Sir, the process of clearing the check electronically rather than physically. Sir.
Now, what is the expansion for CTS?
Check
Check
truncations.
Adi Chapali. You have to
Okay.
tell it is check truncation system.
Okay,
Arthamainda?
sir.
Malayala
Okay.
Anil. Malayala
Yes, sir.
Anil, please tell me what is CBS. చెప్పు ఎందుకు ఇంత సమయం తీసుకుంటారు కోర్ బ్యాంకింగ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇదన్నీ చదవలేదా
Okay, sir. Core banking
ఇద
services. All
ఇదన్నీ
branches of the
చదవలేదా
bank.
మీకు మెటీరియల్స్ ఇచ్చుంటాము అదన్నీ చదువుకోండి ఓకే
Sir, can I explain about TBS?
ఓకే వాట్ ఈస్ ఫాస్ట్ ట్యాగ్
Sorry, sir.
ఫాస్ట్ ట్యాగ్ అంటే ఏమి
I'm not read about it.
ఫాస్ట్ ట్యాగ్ ఈస్ దట్ టోల్ గేట్ లో కలెక్షన్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా అది అక్కడ ఏం అడుగుతున్నారంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద టెక్నాలజీ యూస్డ్ ఎనీబడి నోస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టెక్నాలజీ యూస్డ్ ఇన్ ఫాస్ట్ ట్యాగ్
radioactive technology, sir.
Radio frequency identification technology.
Correct. Radio frequency, RFID, something like that. Very good. Thank you. That's what it is. Thank you so much, Malayala Anil. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
You please
I'll-
prepare seriously more. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. You did well, but Kani, you won't get high marks. You will get 8 out of 10 or 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, sir. This is
But-
my first interview, sir. First of all, I
Very
didn't
good.
attend any interview.
Very
Okay,
good.
sir. Okay, sir. I
Best,
can
best wishes.
improve myself,
God
sir.
bless. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.